tell you what, it is a brave man who's willing to go on CNBC and urge investors who own Tesla stock to sell. Brave and/or stupid, possibly both, or just the latter. Let's hear from Seth Goldstein, why he is suggesting that Tesla shareholders should be selling the stock prior to the mass rollout of robotaxis, the dedicated cybercab, the humanoid robot, approval of Tesla's 2025 CEO Performance Award. You know, those tiny little projects that are going to absolutely dwarf Tesla's existing business many times over.
Well, Tesla is the big name on tomorrow's earnings calendar, so let's get you set up ahead of those results tomorrow with Morningstar senior equity analyst Seth Goldstein, who has a sell rating on the stock and joins us now. Seth, it's great to have you on. Why do you have a sell rating?
Well, we think the market's gotten a little too carried away with enthusiasm for the Robotaxi, and we're skeptical that we'll see a full launch next year, meaning the Robotaxi will be launched without safety drivers in the car and when without any parameters or geofencing in the areas where they operate. We think it's still a few years away because the product's in early testing, and so yet we think the market's pricing in Tesla surpassing Waymo and starting to take some of Uber and Lyft's market share in the ride-hailing market.
So, dude has a sell rating, a $250 price target. Tesla stock currently almost double that amount. And it seems the primary reason is we think investors are assuming Robotaxi is going to happen a matter of months or quarters before it actually will. Just what I'm hearing, right? I didn't hear any argument that Tesla's not going to absolutely crush Waymo, nor any argument that Robotaxi isn't an enormous opportunity. He didn't say Tesla doesn't have a massive cost advantage, a scale advantage, a general solution, whereas no one else does. None of that. It's just apparently, based on that very short clip, it sounds like he thinks investors are giving a little bit of credit a little bit early. Now, he may be right. I don't know exactly when Robotaxi scales massively and when the human observers disappear, but I am extremely confident it will happen, and likely much sooner than most so-called experts anticipate. And as this happens, Tesla's going to absolutely cook Waymo, Uber, Lyft with a massive cost advantage, extreme scale, and run away with it and take the lion's share of the profits, especially in the West when it comes to autonomy.